Having trouble with your Lenovo docking station not detecting your external monitor via HDMI or DisplayPort? You're not alone. The primary culprits are often related to cables, drivers, firmware, power, or connection sequence. First, ensure you're using certified HDMI 2.1 or DisplayPort 1.4 cables. Test cable integrity with a multimeter for continuity and inspect for any physical damage. Outdated Lenovo System Interface Foundation, LSI drivers and dock firmware disrupt EDID handshakes, which is how your monitor communicates its capabilities. Use the Lenovo Vantage app to update drivers and firmware to the latest versions. Ensure the dock receives sufficient power, 65 watt plus, and connect the dock to the laptop before attaching the monitor. Lastly, ensure your laptop's USB-C port supports alt mode for video signals if you're using a USB-C dock. If issues persist, move on to advanced troubleshooting. If basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve the problem, investigate potential hardware faults, especially in older docks from before 2023. Lenovo has issued recalls for docks with solder defects in HDMI ports. Contact Lenovo support to check if your dock is affected. Many issues, about 65% according to Lenovo, can be resolved via Vantage Diagnostics, which automate firmware updates. The rise of Thunderbolt 5 and wireless HDMI, or YHD, is shifting towards seamless connectivity, with Lenovo prototyping docks that support YHD for cable-free setups by 2026. As a last resort, check your Windows display settings or macOS system preferences for resolution and refresh rate mismatches. In summary, start with software-first fixes, examine cable integrity, check power and connection sequences, and consider future tech for improved reliability.